Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first I'm taking an old mirror and here is the cardboard. So here I'm using homemade glue. I have given the link in the description, you can check it out. Stick all the corners and let it dry for 24 hours. Place this in the center and trace it out. So now I'm taking homemade clay. This is uncooked homemade clay. You can check this link in the description. I have got this clay cutter from Amazon. You can see the link down there. There are 3 sizes in this flower cutter: small, medium and large. I'm gonna use 3 of them here. So randomly you may need these many flowers to decorate around the mirror. Let it dry for 24 hours. This is absolutely well dried. So in this project I'm gonna use lavender shades. You can use any colors that you would like to choose. Once the paint dries, you can color on the sides too. This is an easy method to color on the sides. white acrylic color to hide the letters of the newspaper. If you're not comfortable with newspaper, you can also use tissue paper to stick on the cardboard. That's up to you. So now this is plaster of Paris, or you can also use white cement. I have added water plus glue solution in 1:1 ratio. You just need to tap over the cardboard gently. Apply more and more plaster of Paris so that it will be strong enough. Before the plaster of Paris dries, stick all the flowers on it. Just randomly. So this is glass liner. You need to just tap between the flowers. This will give you an amazing texture. Throughout the frame I have given half gold and half silver because that looks royal and rich. You can try with totally gold or totally silver, that's your wish. So here is gold powder. This is only I think 40 rupees. Apply this over the gold glass liner so you can see the difference. This will give you a real gold feel. I hope you can see the difference here. This is really sparkling and this is not. Now silver color over the silver part. So you can absolutely see the difference here. For my naked eye it's really amazing to see the shine and texture. Now we need to spray water plus glue solution throughout the frame, because this will protect the design and the texture and the shine, and also this will give you long lasting effect. Cover the sides too with plaster of Paris. Cover the back side also with plaster of Paris. This paste is a mixture of plaster of Paris, glue and water. So these are the beads, gold color beads. See, this is tiny ones. So I'm gonna stick them in between the flowers. Now just clean the mirror with water and scrap away the plaster of Paris, and again clean the mirror with newspaper or tissue paper. We are gonna give the outline now. So with the metallic glass gold color, this is February glass color. So I'm going to fill this in between the lines. So buddies, thank you for watching. Please do watch all my other videos too. I think you will surely love all of them. Thank you.